got a team of 5 which I head up. What's really nice is that there's a real difference in experience, knowledge.
I've been at Excel now for 10 years, a whole decade. I've taken on the role of Head of Consumer Exhibition Sales more recently in the last 3 years.
I've made lifelong friends in this industry, both at the businesses I've worked at, with clients that I've had, with partnerships I've made.
I guess like lots of people, I sort of fell into the industry and I just loved it. I loved cut and thrust and the excitement of shows.
My ambition is for us to be the world leading events destination. I think we're achieving that.
I started on the supply side, so I was working for what is now one of Excel's on-site partners, Eclipse. And then the opportunity came up with Excel to be on the venue side.
I have a lot of really good relationships with people in the industry. Many of them are friends really, so it's good to spend time with them.
We've all kind of found a way of working alongside each other, and actually over time we've kind of carved out our own specialist niche areas and parts of the business.
And I think the team works really nicely because they've all got a vast amount of experience within their own industries.
I think collectively we've all got a different angle that we can bring to help solve challenges and problems together.